What if I told you there's a foldable phone in 2026 that's thinner than your iPhone 17 Pro Max? When folded, packs the biggest battery ever in a foldable. Over 50% larger than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7. It survives high-pressure water jets like no other foldable. That's not hype. That's the Honor Magic V6. Stick around because this thing just changed the game. Hey everyone, it's your boy, your channel name, and today we're diving deep into the Honor Magic V6. The foldable that dropped at MWC 2026 and has everyone buzzing. This is Honor's latest book-style flagship, succeeding the already impressive Magic V5. It launched in early March 2026 in China, with global rollout plan for H2 2026 in select markets. No official US pricing yet, but expect it to land around $2,000 to $2,300 unlocked based on predecessors. Premium territory. Right up there with Samsung's Z Fold series. Why is it trending? Because Honor said, forget just being thin. Let's make it durable, battery monstrous, and actually usable every day. No BS here. I'll show you the real wins, the trade-offs, and if this is worth importing or waiting for if you're in the US. Let's unbox this beast. Okay, crack open that sleek black box, minimalist, premium, with the phone front and center like a piece of art. Inside, the Magic V6 in white, gold, red, black. White is the thinnest at 8.75 millimeters folded, an 80W charger. Thank you, Honor. Case stylus if bundled in some regions, SIM tool, and docks. First touch? Holy crap. This thing feels like a regular slab phone folded. At 219G, white variant, or 224G others, it's lighter than it has any right to be for a foldable. Unfolded, it's 4.1 mm thin. Insane engineering. The hinge has that satisfying resistance. Firm, no wobble, premium click. The crease? Honor claims 44% shallower than V5. It's there if you hunt for it, but in daily use, almost invisible. Displays pop with vibrant colors. Anti-reflective coating kills glare. B-roll suggestion. Slow-mo, open/close. Macro on hinge, side-by-side with iPhone for thinness. First impression, this doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like the future. Let's cut to what makes the Magic V6 stand out in 2026. 3 massive advantages. Monster 6,660 mAh silicon carbon battery, largest in any foldable. That's 51% bigger than Galaxy Z Fold 7's 400 mAh. Real talk, this thing lasts 24 plus hours heavy use, 10 plus hours screen on with multitasking, gaming, 5G. Competitors struggle to hit a full day. This one gives you 2. Who wins? Anyone tired of babying their foldable battery. IP69 rating plus ultra durable build. First foldable with IP69, high pressure, hot water jets, plus IP68. Hinge tougher, drop resistance up. Samsung and Google are IPX8/IP68 at best. This survives kitchen disasters or rain without fear. Perfect for clumsy folks or outdoor adventurers. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 power and ultra-thin chassis. First foldable with this 3nm beast, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage. Blazing performance. No throttling, even unfolded. Thin design without sacrificing power. Honor didn't compromise like some rivals do for thinness. Power users and multitaskers get flagship speed in a form factor that feels Norma. These 3 crush the competition where it matters. Endurance, toughness, and no excuses performance. Build, aluminum frame, premium vegan leather or glass back options. Colors pop. White especially sleek. Folded. Satavisikymentakuusi piste 7x 74 piste 5x 75 udeksen 0 unfolded. Alto viva 156 7x 145 piste 6x 4 Displays. Outer 6.52-inch LTPO 2.0 AMOLED. FHD Plus 1 to 120 Hz, 6,000 nits peak, super readable outdoors. Inner 7.95-inch LTPO 2.0, 2352 by 2172, QHD-ish, 5000 nits, stylus support both screens, 4320 Hz PWM for eye comfort, anti-reflection layer. Processor, Snapdragon Elite Gen 5, top tier 2012 ekip, creuse-minimized, iTasks. 16GB ng itam, UFF 4.1 today, 512GB base. Camera, triple rear, 5 if kasi, oise. 5 ultravide, 64 periscopele, 3x optical. Dual 20MP selfies, 1 per screen. Solid processing, great low light, periscope zoom, big win for foldables. Battery/charging, 6,660 milliamp hours silicon carbon, 25% silicon content, 80W wired, full in 40 minutes, 66W wireless. Beats Samsung Slower 25. Software, Magic OS 10 on Android 16, up to 7 years upgrades. AI features like Magic Portal, productivity tools. Smooth, but some bloat cleanable. Compared to V5, bigger battery, newer chip, better IP rating, refined crease/displays. Versus Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thinner/lighter/bigger battery/faster charging/higher durability. But Samsung has better US ecosystem/integration. I've been putting this through the ringer. Story time, full day, morning emails/productivity on inner screen, YouTube/scrolling outer, afternoon gaming, Genshin Max settings, no heat issues, Snapdragon handles it, evening photo/video. Battery? Started at 100%, ended at 45% after 9 hours SOT. Insane. Multitasking, split screen Netflix plus notes, drag drop files, fluid. No lag. Comfort. Unfolded, it's a mini tablet without bulk. Folded, slips in pocket like a normal phone. Heating, light, gaming warm, but not hot, better than some flagships. Durability, drop from waist height, oops, no cracks, hinge solid. Water test, sprayed it, survived like champ. Surprises, outer screen bigger/more usable than expected. Crease fades in real use. AI camera tweaks, actually helpful for portraits. Long-term feel. After a week, it feels refined, no foldable compromise. Battery anxiety? Gone. Only nitpick. Software could be cleaner. Pros. Insane 6,660 milliamp hours battery life. Best in class. Ultra thin/light, yet super durable. IP69 first. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance. Bright, crease-minimized displays with stylus support. Fast 86 w wireless charging. Strong camera system with real zoom. Cons. No official US availability. Import hassles. No carrier support. Price likely $2,000 plus premium. Software has some bloat, though customizable. Crease still visible up close, better but not gone. Availability delayed to H2 2026 in most markets. This is one of the best foldables of 2026. Maybe the best if battery and durability matter most. Buy it if you're a power user who wants epic endurance, premium build, and doesn't mind importing tech enthusiast travelers. Skip if you need seamless US carrier support, Samsung/Google ecosystem, or want it now. Value. Killer if it hits $2,000. Beats Z Fold on battery/charging/durability. Best alternative. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Easier US buy, but smaller battery/slower charging. Bottom line. Honor just raised the bar. If foldables are the future, the Magic V6 is leading the charge. What a time to be alive. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest foldable deep dives, and drop in the comments. Would you import the Magic V6 or stick with Samsung? Check the links below for more specs, import options, and my last foldable comparison. Thanks for watching. Stay charged, stay ahead. Peace out.